In this video, I'll show you how to make display text larger on your Mac. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini running macOS. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. To get started, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select System Settings. In System Settings, scroll down and click on Display. Here, you'll see an option called Display Resolution. To make text larger, select Larger Text. As you move toward the larger text option, macOS will automatically adjust the size of text, icons, and interface elements. You can stop when the text feels comfortable and easy to read. Once you're happy with the size, you can close System Settings. The changes are applied instantly, so there's no need to restart your Mac. And that's it. You've successfully made display text larger on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.